Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are tackling a problem that many of you have been facing lately. Your iPhone stopped vibrating after updating to iOS 17. But don't worry, you are not alone. This is a common issue, but the good news is it's usually a quick fix. So let's dive in and get your iPhone buzzing again. So guys, first of all you have to do is check your vibration settings. You have to go to your settings, then tap on sound and haptics. Now tap on, scroll up, now tap on haptics again. You have to ensure that play in silent mode is allowed. After this, then you have to do restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches. To restart your iPhone, you have to go back, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shut down your iPhone, and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Means you get that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. You have to go to your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, then you have to do is check accessibility settings. You have to go to your settings again, go back, go to accessibility, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now tap on touch, go back, tap on touch. Scroll down and you can see your option vibration. If it's disabled, then you have to do is enable it. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do a reset your all settings. If none of this solution work, you can try setting all settings. This will reset all your customization to their default value. So be sure to back up your data before proceeding. To do this, you have to go back, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset icon, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.